it's the NJN Rocks. Today's video is not like any other video. We have another unboxing, and that is the Samsung Galaxy S21 PLUS. As so you know, before the trend was 4Gs, but now we have the new ones, the 5Gs, and we've been waiting for a long time. We finally got this little baby. Look at it, isn't it so pretty? So without further ado, let us open this. Unboxing this. So there are three versions of this phone: S21, S21 Plus, S21 Ultra. And the main reason this little box is tiny is because, this is my opinion, okay? So don't take this harsh. And they're not adding the charge, the plug. And because of that, you have to pay for another one before you get it for free. And now you have to pay for another one. Really? I just want a free one. And another thing is that this is a funny reason, is the phone is getting very thin right now. Now, without any more, let us open it actually. Okay, neat. Oh, look at it. Isn't this a little cute? Oh, here's the phone. Let's pull it up. Ooh, the screen is big and cute. And look at the back, guys. It's a little violet. It's a little Phoenix violet, like that. And look at it. It's a clean area and one camera up here and three cameras in the back. Look at it. It's not one, it's not two, it's three. Three cameras. And this little flash, do you see that little dot there? That's for the flash, if you didn't know that. And so, without anything else, and before we turn this off, turn it on, I'm gonna tell some facts and trivia. The color you see in the back is phantom purple. You see this beautiful color. And now let's talk about the front. As you can see, this cute little cover, it has a Infinity -O Display 3, and that is pretty good. And it has a eye comfort shield, so your eyes won't get red or anything wrong. And it has a super smooth surface, so it won't be a little hard. And even though it's big, its weight is down, and it is only 200 grams. It has an 8K video, and you can make an 8K video snap. And it is also a 6.7 inches, and it has a dynamic mold 2X. It's pretty, it's a little smooth. You can see the surface is a little bounced right there. It's not perfect straight. It's a little curve there. And it has a storage of 128 GB or 256 battery. The last phone, S20, had a battery power of 4,800 mAh. That means battery power. This also has the same thing, 4,800 mAh, and that means it lasts for a day full charge. Next, let's talk about its processor. That means its core, and that is its heart. And it has 2.8 gigahertz, and it has a 8 GB RAM, and that is a lot. Actually, it's very good. It's very fast. And it has a glass back. You can see right here, it's a very smooth glass back. And it is the toughest Gorilla Glass yet. That means it's very tough, like it can hold from a fall. And so, that's all we have. The camera, the front camera, the one you see the tiny little dot up there, it is 10 megapixels. And the three big boys right here are 12 megapixels. Now, enough chit chat. Let's see how this camera works. So let us first turn it on. Beautiful. And let's turn on our camera. So we are doing a camera test and camera quality. So because of that, I brought my dad's phone, an iPhone 11 versus the new one. So let us take first two pictures. So let us do one. Okay. First picture. Good. Now next picture. Put that there. And let us take another one. picture. Here's our picture we just took right now, and now let's compare it with the other phone. Let's open it. It's taking time. Yeah, here it is. Here's our pictures we took. And so, you know, this is a mirror effect. The real position I'm taking it is this way, but mirror effect made it look this way. And you see the quality, like how good they're doing it. And here, I look pretty in this, and here I look different. And I really like it this way. In here you can see something wrong with my face, and I look good in here. And so now let us check the back cameras of these two. So let us take another picture. Let's take a picture of the back camera. Thank you, Mom. And after we took the pictures, we're going to test them. So let me pose. Okay, is it done? We have the picture my mom took. Thank you again. And here you can, this is the iPhone 11 and this is our phone, if you didn't know that. And they look pretty good in both. But I think this still looks better. You can see that. And my face looks better in this. And I really like it. It has more quality. Both of them are good, but this has more bright and attractive ones. Here is more darker. The iPhone right here, iPhone 11 here, it's more darker. So I picked this as the winner of camera. So now it's time to say, I really like this phone. It is worth the price. If you want to buy a new phone, I recommend you to buy this. It is a $800 phone. They reduced $200 from the last phone, and I say this is worth it. The good camera qualities, the good storage space, and a lot of stuff. The 3 cameras, and I think you should really buy this phone. It's very good. And so I hope you guys like this video. If you like the phone, thumbs up. And subscribe this video and show this video to the whole world. So bye bye.